Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Google Meet microphone not working. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, unplug and replug your microphone or headset firmly to make sure the connection is solid. If you use Bluetooth, turn Bluetooth off and on. Then reconnect your headset to refresh the audio link. Restart your computer or phone to clear temporary audio glitches that can block the mic. Open Google Chrome and make sure it is updated to the latest version for the best Meet compatibility. In Chrome, click the three dots. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. Go to Permissions and open Microphone. Then set the correct microphone as the default device. Go back to Site Settings. Open Meet, Google, Com, and allow microphone permission. On the Google Meet page, click the lock icon near the address bar and set microphone to allow. Refresh the Meet tab after changing permissions so the browser applies the new settings. In Google Meet, click the three dots. Choose Settings, then open the audio section. Select the correct microphone from the drop-down menu and speak to check the input meter. Make sure the microphone is not muted on your headset cable or inline controller if you have one. On Windows, right-click the speaker icon, open Sound Settings, and choose your input device. Click Device Properties and test your microphone to confirm Windows can hear you. In Windows, go to Privacy Settings, open Microphone, and turn on access for apps and browsers. Also enable the setting that allows desktop apps to access your microphone for Chrome. On Mac, go to System Settings, open Privacy and Security, then Microphone. Enable the permission for Google Chrome so it can use the microphone in Meet. On Mac, open Sound Settings and confirm the correct input device is selected. Close other apps that may be using the microphone, like Zoom, Teams, Discord, or voice recorders. Turn off browser extensions that can block permissions, especially privacy or ad block extensions. Try opening Meet in an incognito window to quickly test without extensions and cache settings. Clear Chrome cache for Meet by going to Settings, Privacy and Security. Clear browsing data. Set time range to all time. Select cached images and files. Then clear and reload Meet. Check your antivirus or security software and allow Chrome and Meet microphone access if blocked. If you are on a work or school account, ask your admin because policy settings can disable the mic. Try another browser like Microsoft Edge to confirm whether the issue is browser-specific. As a final quick fix, use a different microphone or headset to rule out hardware failure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.